What's going on, everyone? This is Nah here at RPMs and welcome to the channel. Ever looked at a turntable and felt a little lost or confused? You might have seen it as being some sort of ancient piece of technology. Well, you're not the only one. Whether you're brand new to the world of vinyl records and turntables, or maybe you're just dusting off an old turntable that you found at a store or got from a relative and you might need a refresher, this video is for you. We've all been there, and that's why today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set your turntable up simply in step-by-step instructions. No more confusion about the parts or any worry that you might accidentally break something. We're going to get you spinning records in no time. First things first, it's a good idea to kind of unpack everything and lay it out in front of you. What you should have is a turntable. The turntable itself right here is the Stanton T.92 USB direct drive turntable. Right here is the tone arm. Right here is a slip mat, and here's the platter in which the slip mat would be placed on top of the platter in order to actually spin the record. In the back, we have the counterweight, which would be placed on the back of the tone arm, and then the needle and the cartridge itself. Alright, now since we ran through everything that comes with the turntable, it's important to make sure that the turntable itself is placed on a stable and level surface. This is crucial, especially when you're actually playing a record, because it will prevent any skips and ensuring that the needle picks up the grooves to create the best sound for your vinyl. So first step in actually putting together our turntable is to grab the platter, see right here, and put it right here in the middle of the spindle. Put it carefully in there, and then now as you see, the turntable, the platter will rotate. Next, it's a good idea to put the slip mat down. This will make sure that the record doesn't get damaged or anything when playing it against the metal of the platter itself. It just there's a smooth felt surface for the vinyl to be played on. Now we'll move on to right here, the tone arm. So the tone arm right here is locked by a little clamp on the side. So we'll keep it locked for now. First thing that we're going to do is the most important part of everything, and also time to be the most delicate, is to grab the needle and the cartridge. As you see, there's plugs right here. It will match up right there. And then just spin it. It should feel like firm and kind of like secured and locked in once you screw the needle into the front of the tone arm to make sure that you're getting the best sound and the needle is picking up everything that you would want to pick up from the vinyl. Next part of the tone arm is to grab the counterweight, as you see here, and to put it on the back end. This balances out the tone arm itself, so one side is not heavy as the other. I find it best to kind of modify it to your needs, how heavy you would like it to be, or how light you would like it to be. So we put it in here, and then you can modify the weight in the back, so then you can feel it out on your own way when you're actually playing the record. Alright, a little bit of a change of scenery, but we are now getting closer and closer to being able to use our turntable. Now that we have everything together, it's a good idea to kind of show you guys exactly how you're going to be plugging in the RCA and power cables to get the turntable actually moving. Right here is where we would enter our RCA cables with the red and white outputs. So you would enter the red into the red, then match the white into the white, and then do the same into the amplifier or receiver with the other end. Now moving right in the back of this, the back panel of the turntable, you're gonna want to keep this switch onto phono rather than line. And then we're also gonna move now onto the power outlet. This stand turntable comes with this power line, which you enter on the back of the turntable as such, and plug in the other end into an outlet. Alright, so now at this point, the RCA and the channel should be connected to the right. The power outlet line should be going into an outlet from the turntable there. Now just reach into the back of the turntable to power on. As you can see now, everything is lit up. This motor switch right here, turn that to on, press the start and stop, and right there you have it. The turntable is now operating. This turntable comes with 3 different RPM choices, 33 to 45 to 78, depending on the type of record. The RPM standing for revolutions per minute. Alright, there you have it. You now have a working operating turntable that you can use to enjoy your vinyl and begin your record collection or your DJing journey. If you found this video to be helpful, or maybe you just enjoyed the vibe that it gave, I would appreciate if you liked and subscribed. Thanks for watching and visiting RPM's channel, and keep spinning.